cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be
The
natural. I
infamous.
ain't looking tacky cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, stuck in these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon and I'm still on top.
Hey guys, welcome back to Afros and Baby Hairs. And today we're going to be doing a quick protective style for those of you who don't know how to braid or would like to have an alternative method. I will be doing that today. So if you're interested in seeing what we are up to, then please keep on watching. So right here, I am just moisturizing her hair. It has already been washed and conditioned. So I'm just adding some pink oil as her moisturizer today. And then I'm going to seal this in with the Africa's Best hair and scalp conditioner. So that's what I'll be doing on these clips, just moisturizing the hair. So right here, I'm just parting the hair because we're going for two braids today. So I just wanted to go ahead and get that part in her head, just that middle part. So that's what I'm doing right here, is just parting her hair. You can do as many braids as you would like, but for this video, I am only doing two. And like I said, I was going to follow up that pink oil with the Africa's Best to seal everything in. So that's what I'll be doing on these particular clips. So now we're about to begin the actual braiding process, or the link braiding process. So I'm just going to part off a section of the hair just to plait up. And that's how we're going to begin these particular link braids. So you just part off a little bit of hair, just like you would for a regular plait. And you just begin plaiting it up. You can use a rubber band to secure the base of the plait if you would like, but I opted not to use any rubber bands. So you just plait it down so far, and then once you do that, you part off your next section of hair that you want to link that plait to, and that's how we create the illusion of a braid when it's actually linked or chained together. So I'm parting off the next section to begin the process again, but this time I'm going to add the hair from the previous plait into the second plait. So you will see how I do that in this clip. So you just begin the plait and just add the hair in with the second plait, if that makes sense. So you're just plaiting the hair and adding the pieces together to give the illusion of a braid. So this is for people who may not know how to braid, or someone who's just looking for a different look. So this will serve the purpose as well, and it's also a great protective style. So we're just continuing on doing the same exact process, and then once you get to the very last section, you just braid it all the way up, all the way to the end, and that is that. So, and once again, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side of the head as well. So that's what I'll be doing in the following clips. It's just finishing up the hairstyle and showing you how I link the actual plaits together to give the illusion of a braid. So yeah, now we're about to start on the other side, and I'm just repeating the same process. And like I said, you can use rubber bands to secure the base of the plait. You can make your part smaller or larger. You can be as creative with this hairstyle as you want. You can add hair accessories, all of that. Anything can go with this particular look. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that. Your sections don't have to be this big. You can do them smaller, medium size, however you want to do them. And yeah, we're just finishing up the look. It took about maybe 10 minutes to do. So it's an easy, quick hairstyle. And it makes it a little bit easier for people who don't know how to braid. So yeah, we're just gonna finish up in the rest of these clips. So yeah, guys, this is the finished look. I do want to thank you all for tuning in today. We really appreciate your time and energy. We hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace and love, and as always, be blissful.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be natural.
The
I ain't
infamous.
looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so faboo, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, fucking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top of these buffoons. I'm so nappy, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous switches wanna combat me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so comfortable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends. And I look like $1 trillion. Lady B won a lotto, cause in the Lord I trust. And beauty is the motto. Naturally thick in the butt, I'm Billy Blanks on the Tabo. Edges a little rough, just pretend I'm from Morocco. Orient all up in my hair, cause I let my locks grow naturally. My curls popping everywhere, I'm maximizing on this natural thing.